everyone. I just wanted to show you a few things I have been working on for spring and Easter. We've had a lot of days that have been rainy lately, and so I bought some burlap at Walmart. I actually bought 2 yards of burlap, and I drew this cute little bunny, and I used acrylic paint to paint his little face. First I took my Sharpie and I drew him out on the burlap, and I took some pictures during the process, so we're going to try to edit the video and add the pictures in so you can see the actual steps. But what I did was, first I bought the burlap, and like I said, I bought 2 yards, and then I drew my bunny on the burlap, and then I left some extra space and traced it and cut it out, and then I painted it and let it dry. And what you'll want to do before you'll want to double your burlap over so that you'll have a front and a back of your bunny or whatever you're working on. So you'll double it so that when you cut it out, you'll have a front and a back. So you'll paint the front piece, and then you'll set the back piece aside, let the paint dry. And so this one, I thought it was really cute. My daughter painted it for me. It says, "Welcome, Peeps." And then once you get it dry and you get ready, you're going to want to have your hot glue gun, your glue sticks, some cotton to stuff it, some wire, and maybe some ribbon. So all you have to do, like I said, is after you get it cut out and dry, is you take your front, let me show you this because we've already started working on this one. So you'll take your front piece, and you'll take the back piece, and you're going to take your hot glue gun and you're going to go along the edge and then place your front piece on as you go. And you're going to go all the way around until you leave a spot open so that you can take your hand and stuff your cotton in it. So that's what we've done on the bunny. So we're ready to start stuffing our bunny because the hot glue has had time to dry. So let me grab it and let's start stuffing it for our door hanger. Okay, so as you can see, the glue has had time to dry. So it's kind of like a pillow now. And so I'm going to stuff my pillow and give it a 3D dimensional look. So here we go, guys. So I bought everything at Walmart, bought the acrylic paint, the burlap, the cotton, everything at Walmart. And you just kind of make sure your glue has dried. And you'll have to go back and touch up little places maybe that you missed after you stuff it, get it stuffed, excuse me. Okay, so you want to try to get in the little ears with your hand, but don't push too hard. You don't want it too fluffy, but you do want it to have some dimensions. Okay, so I've got a little bit there. I'll add a little bit of hot glue right in here to try to make it where the cotton doesn't come out. And just kind of hold. Be careful, try not to burn yourself. I'm gonna grab some more cotton. I'm just gonna open it up, place it in. And this is all found in the crafts section at Walmart. And I bought this cotton in a box, and it was cheaper to buy it in a box instead of a bag. Can't remember exactly how much we paid. Okay, well I don't think we need that. I kind of like this fullness of it right here. I don't want it too fat. I just want it to have a little bit of dimension, so I think I'm ready to finish gluing it. So I'm gonna take my hot glue gun and just run a strip press it down and hold for a little bit. You can also sew this closed if you'd rather. Instead of hot gluing it, you can always sew it. It's just quicker for me to use the hot glue gun. Need another glue stick. Okay, so I'll have to go back and make sure there's not any spots that are coming open. But you can see she's really a cute Easter door hanger, and she'll need some shelter from the weather, but I think she turned out really cute. And so what I'll do is I'm going to take and I'll hang a wire to hang her on my front door, and I'm also on that wire I'm going to add a little ribbon on each side of the wire just for a little bit more decoration. But this is really cute and inexpensive for Easter, or if you're wanting to make it for another holiday, I thought this pineapple was really cute for summer. So I'm going to finish this one for after the holidays and probably put this up in probably April or so, or maybe even May. But on this one I got smart. When I was telling you about doubling your burlap, I doubled it, but I didn't cut the bottom. So that way, when I'm hot gluing it, it's just one step that's a little bit easier for me. So that's always a thought. If you don't want to cut your shape completely out, leave the bottom kind of like you would on a pillowcase, and that way it's easier for you to hot glue it all together. So that's just a tip. So like I said, I've got to finish my little welcome peeps one too. But we just wanted to let you know what we're up to, and we hope you like our video. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all of you that have subscribed. I really appreciate it. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you.